Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 0, MCI 0. I'm joined by Offensive Stibo. I'm a fans too. I'm a Sandawana. Yeah. We are going all the way. It's going to be a South African affair in the finals, Tibo. Yes, some of us are so privileged to have saw it before. We are just watching highlights. Sundowns is going to get through our goal rule. Yes, sure. They will score 2 goals in Egypt. Yes. And then here, it will be a 2-2 draw in Egypt. Yes. Then here, it will just be a 0-0. Okay. And then Pirates. Sure. The real kings of African football. Yes. The real kings of African football. Orlando Pirates. Yes. They will win. Yeah. What was pyramids? What was pyramids? The only pyramid I know is the one history. Egypt, yes. That's the one, not a football team. Let me just say, politics. Who are politics? To be honest, I miss Monapula Saleh. Not because of football only, but imagine Monapula Saleh a feta man of the match. Ke rata go leboga ntate modimo. Talenta mfile nyona. O leboga ntate modimo. Go tswa gore there's something eleng gore Monapula Saleh ha yo happy ka yona. O ka se leboga ntate modimo ka talente. Then we latlha fela yalo. It shows something. Ke kopa leboga ntate modimo ka talenta mfile nyona. Ka mo promise le gore ke tlo e honora. Man of the match. Wa tlhaloga. Ke mo izandla phezulu. Izandla phezulu. Izandla phezulu ngikhuthuzeni madoda. Izandla phezulu ngikhuthuzeni madoda. We will win the CAF Champions League. Yes. Sundowns will win the Hollywood Champions League. The one because of for women. Because it's for women. Kaizer Chiefs, they will win the top bet premiership. They will win the top bet premiership. You know why? Because Utumela Kune is one of the shareholders and the brand ambassador. Just like you saw yesterday, Sundowns won because of they benefited because of the president is Patrice Motsepe. Yes. They benefited and they have no shame. They have no shame. Football, you don't. They benefited. They only say Pirates benefits in the league. By the way, I miss Mr. Tom and Jerry, man. I miss Mr. Tom and Jerry. Ivan Koza, make a plan. Last 7 games. Shabshabus Tibo, our fans were to man of the match today. GTLB. That guy is so gifted. Not only fit, but also he's tactically good. For a 19-year-old who's only making his debut in January, and then you come, you show people how to play football. Lucas Ribeiro, it's not easy. It's not easy.